Hi, I'm Jack Granlund. Welcome to CFO Online, the channel dedicated to your small and medium-sized business, helping you grow, helping you make it more profitable, helping it run better. We answer those thorny questions like how to get a loan, how to get a business loan, how to get an SBA loan, how to make your business more profitable. Today's topic is what to expect from a fractional CFO or part-time Chief Financial Officer. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you own a small or medium-sized business, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. So every client I have, every new client comes along and asks, well, what do I need you for? I've got Brad. Every month I send Brad my bank statements and he puts it into QuickBooks, gives me a financial statement at the end of the month. I take it and I throw it in a drawer. So what do I need you for? Well, I'm going to tell you every single small business needs a CFO. They need it once in a while, but they don't need it all the time. I agree with you there. But what you really are looking for is a fractional CFO that'll help you manage your business when times are changing. There's really going to be 4 reasons why you're going to need a CFO and what a fractional CFO is going to do for you that's going to be different than your accountant or your CPA or your bookkeeper. Those 4 reasons are:
1. Make finance a forward-looking planning tool. 2. Manage your banking and other outside professional relationships. 3. Increase your profits. And 4. Add business acumen and years of experience to your team.
So the first reason that you need a CFO or a fractional CFO is that every once in a while you're going to take that financial statement out of your drawer and you're going to look around and say, well, what's going to happen next week? What's going to happen in the next quarter? I got a new customer. I want to know whether or not that's going to work for me. Or I'm going to lose a big customer. I want to know what's going to happen to my business. Well, the first thing that a fractional CFO or a good CFO, an experienced CFO, is going to do for you is going to help you take the information that you have about running your business and going to be able to build a nice model for you that will be able to look into the future and tell you what the financial implications of business decisions that you're making today are going to be next month, next quarter, next year. That's really the most important aspect that you're going to do. The first thing you're really going to do is you got to think about a CFO as somebody who is going to be forward-looking instead of backward-looking. When you get those financial statements, you're going to get them a week, you're going to get them a month, you're going to get them every quarter, but they're going to be what happened in the past. And what you're really interested in, and what a good CFO is going to do for you, is help you think about the future and help you have the tools you need to be able to look into the future. The second thing a CFO is going to be able to do for you is bring along a whole briefcase full of years of experience and relationships with bankers, with lawyers, with HR people that you don't necessarily want to meet with every day, and you may not necessarily work with them very often. But when you need them, you need people who have experience and knowledge and know your business. Or also, he knows how to talk to those people. He allows you to be able to focus on what you need to in your business, and he's going to help you work through the issues that you need. If you need a new loan for a piece of equipment, or your business is growing and you need a new loan for more working capital, or you want to buy a piece of real estate, he's going to be able to help you work your way through those things. Help you work out the contracts you need for new vendors, help you work out contracts you need for purchase a piece of real estate, whole manner of different things. And lately, what I've been finding is what's really become important is the ability to work with HR professionals. The third area that you're going to get help from a fractional CFO with is analyzing and understanding your business, understanding what parts of it are profitable and which parts of it aren't. Every single business that I have been in the last 30 years has had some piece of the business that has been disproportionately profitable to everybody else. See, it's that one piece of business that if you tweak it a little bit, if you grow it a little bit, it's going to make your whole business dramatically more profitable. And a good fractional CFO will be able to come in and look at your business from an analytical point of view, from a business person's point of view, not from an accountant's point of view, not from a finance point of view, but from the point of view of what pieces of that business are going to be the most profitable that you're going to want to work with, and how do you manage to be able to improve those areas of the business. The fourth area of your business that a fractional CFO is going to be helpful with is bringing the business acumen to you. Years of experience that they have working in a variety of different businesses. You are going to be great at working in your business, but it's always helpful to have a sounding board, somebody who has many years of experience working in multiple different industries that allow you to be able to draw on that experience that they have to be able to help you look at the problems that you have just a little bit differently. Most of the time, in a small and medium-sized business, there really isn't anybody else around you that you can talk to. If you think about it, you can't really share your concerns or worries or whatnot with your employees, with your vendors, with your bankers. They're all going to look and just get panicked. They're going to look, oh my God, what am I going to do now? A fractional CFO, a good experience for fractional CFO is going to have probably 20 plus years of experience in a wide array of different industries, and is going to be able to help you work your way through some of those sticky problems that every small business person goes through. Helps you feel just a little bit less alone than you would any other time. Thanks for watching today. I hope you found this useful. Remember, there's going to be 4 things that you should expect from a CFO. 1 is they should be help you look into the future. 2, they should be helping you be able to develop relationships with professionals that are in their briefcase, the bankers, the lawyers, the HR people. Thirdly, they should help you be able to look at your business and make it more profitably. And 4th, the business acumen or the years of experience that makes it easier for you to be able to manage your business and to have a sounding board to make your business more profitable. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you own a small or medium-sized business. And thanks for watching today.